Hi, in this video we are going to see the professor, associate as well as assistant professor vacancies from the multiple departments. Okay, and here with only post graduation also you may apply for this one, guys. Why? Because the application form is also accepting for that one, and these vacancies are announced from one of the university. So please utilize this opportunity, and it will be the wonderful chance to the candidates who are looking for the faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues, and if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. And if I got any recruitment notification based upon your requirement, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get all my videos as a notifications to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science examination in the month of October 2021. Here the Unacademy is providing the paper 1 and paper 2 complete course as well as the MCQ course and the class PDFs you can download, test series and the doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so you may take the subscription plan, that the link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. And if you want to contact me personally regarding this one, in the description box the Telegram link is also kept, so you may find out, guys. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is one of the private university recognized by the UGC. It is the Sri Guru Ram Rai University. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification from the multiple departments. So as a departments I already shown you in the thumbnail, but if you want to get the clear-cut details regarding this opportunities for the faculty positions, so you just scroll down at the end of this website and click on the career, then you will be directed to the application form here. So first we will see whatever the different departments are there and from which departments the vacancies are announced. So click on this department and then you will be directed to the list of the departments provided by this university. So health nursing and the child health nursing and the different types of nursings are there, and the Department of Commerce and the Department of Agriculture, Microbiology, Humanities, Doctoral, Paramedical Sciences and the Post Graduation Studies. Okay, and the College of Education and the Undergraduate Studies are also there. Management, Hospital Administration, Yogic Science, Mass Communication, Biotechnology, IT, Chartered Accounts and Pharmaceutical Sciences, Botany, CS, Zoology, Geology and Chemistry, Physics and the Mathematics. Okay, so total these are the different departments, guys, and here it is a paper advertisement. So it is from the Uttarakhand, guys, Dehradun. And here also you may check down the department. So whatever the departments I did not cover there, so you please check out here. Environmental Science, Drawing and Painting, Physics, Statistics, Chemistry, MSW, Mathematics, Genetics and Plant Breeding, Botany, Horticulture, Marketing, Entomology, Finance, Agriculture Extension, Human Resource, Agriculture Economics, Economics Education, History, Radiology, Political Science, Psychiatric Nursing, Defense Studies and Pharmacology. Fine. And apply online as per the prescribed format at the SGRRU Dehradun website on recruitment portal from 25th September 2001 to 25th October 2021. So just 2 days back we got this recruitment notification and the last date is 25th October 2021, and the printout of the system generated application form and required documents must reach on or before the 30th October 2021. That means not only applying the online application form, you have to send the hard copy also, and here the last dates are also mentioned here. And the hard copy sending address is the Register Office, Sri Guru Ram Rai University, Patel Nagar Campus, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Fine. And how to apply in the official website means, so here it is the career I shown you, right? So here the name you have to fill up and the contact number as well as your email ID and which post you are applying for. So you may check down assistant professor, associate as well as the professor vacancies. So these are the three different designations are there. So based upon your qualifications you may apply for any one of this position, guys. And while coming to the assistant professor with only PG also, you just try to apply once. And here also you have to select for which subject you are applying for. Okay, so here the different subjects what I already told you. So all the subjects are mentioned here, and upload your CV and then click on the submit. So after clicking on the submit, you may get the online application form and collect the online application form and just do whatever the points they mentioned here. The printout of the system generated form with the required documents you need to send hard copy, to this provided address. Fine. So these are the complete details regarding this recruitment notification in this university from Uttarakhand. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got any recruitment notifications based upon your requirement, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my videos as a notifications, then you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. Okay. So if you are interested, you may apply, guys, and to get the accurate and more details, once visit the official website by yourself. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay,